In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import existing wallets into Zerion. We'll be using the Zerion desktop browser extension, and I'll walk you through each step so you can bring an existing wallet into Zerion safely and confidently. First, open your browser's extension area. On most browsers, you'll find this at the top right. It often looks like a small puzzle piece icon or an extensions menu. Click that to see your installed extensions, then select the Zerion extension to launch it. If you use it often, pinning it to your toolbar can make this step faster next time. When the Zerion extension opens, it may be locked. If you see a lock screen, go ahead and enter your password to unlock it. Make sure no one is watching your screen and avoid saving sensitive details in places you don't trust. If you're in a public space, consider moving somewhere private before continuing. Once you're in, look for the settings icon. It typically appears as a small gear. Click that to open the settings menu. From there, choose Manage Wallet. This is where Zerion keeps options for adding, importing, and organizing wallets. Inside Manage Wallet, find the option to import wallet to Zerion and click it. This is the gateway for bringing an existing wallet into the extension. You'll be given a choice to enter either a recovery phrase or a private key. Use whichever you have for the wallet you want to import. A quick reminder on safety: never share your recovery phrase or private key with anyone, and only enter it in the official Zerion extension. Double check the extension is legitimate by confirming it was installed from your browser's official store. If you're using a recovery phrase, type the words in order, separated by single spaces with correct spelling. Most phrases are 12 or 24 words. If you're using a private key, paste the full string carefully with no extra spaces before or after. Your private key is not the same as your wallet address, so be sure you're using the correct value. After you've entered the recovery phrase or private key, click Import. Zerion will process the information and add your wallet to the extension. Give it a moment. When it's done, you should see your wallet listed and ready to use. That's it. You've successfully imported an existing wallet into Zerion using the desktop extension. Keep your recovery phrase and private key secure and consider storing them offline in a safe place. Thanks for watching, and enjoy managing your assets with confidence.